Customizing your course homepage allows you to curate your online students' first impression of you and your course, while providing essential information that will get their semester off to a great start. This tutorial will show you how to set this up in Canvas. Canvas offers a number of options for the course homepage. In a face-to-face class, some of these options will work well to provide students quick access to exactly what they need in Canvas, such as the syllabus or assignment list. But in a fully online course, the Pages homepage provides us with that crucial opportunity to make a first impression, welcome students into the online classroom, introduce ourselves, and guide them on how to get started in the course. You can think of it like the equivalent of the first few minutes on the first day of class in the traditional classroom. Creating a customized course homepage is also a great way to meet several of the course overview and introduction standards from the Quality Matters rubric. The Community of Inquiry model also provides essential guidance for understanding our role in an online class using the concept of presence. There are 3 kinds of presence we want to facilitate as online instructors: teaching, social, and cognitive presence. You'll notice at the intersection of teaching presence and social presence, we can influence the educational experience by setting the climate. When you think about what to include on your course homepage, this is an essential consideration. You set the climate naturally in the classroom with your presence, but we have to plan and be intentional about it in the online setting. This is one of the benefits of the online classroom. We can carefully curate this experience for our students without any of the unknown variables that can go wrong in the real world. So let's go ahead and walk through the steps to set this up in Canvas. The first thing I need to do is create the page. So I'm going to go to Pages in my course and then click Add Page. I'm going to give it a name. And then I'm going to use the features of the Rich Content Editor to develop the content of my page. Okay, so once I'm happy with how my content looks, I'm going to go ahead and click Save and Publish. And then from the 3-dot menu at the top right, I'm going to select Use as Front Page. Once I do this, I can go back to my home page, click Choose Home Page, and then select the Pages Front Page option. If this option is not available to you, it's because no pages in your course have been designated as that front page. So you just want to make sure once you create your page, you're also setting it as your front page. And then you can come back here to your course homepage, select Pages Front Page, click Save. So now this page is set as my course homepage, but whenever I make a major change to my course, there's one more crucial step I should take, and that is to test it from Student View. And I can find that Student View button from the top right of my course. I'm just going to go ahead and click it. And it's going to bring me into the course as a student. So I can not only see what it looks like to students, but I can also test it. I can test my links, I can submit assignments to make sure that not only everything's working correctly, but that I understand how this course works from the student perspective, which will help me really write relevant instructions for my students and answer their questions effectively. You can see that I've hit a number of the Quality Matters standards. I've conveyed the purpose of the course. I've introduced myself. I've given students an opportunity to introduce themselves. I've given them instructions how to get started and where to find various course components. And I've explained how they can get help based on the kind of help that they need. And I've used the Community of Inquiry framework to inform my decisions about the tone and the choice of words, the kind of photo I'm using, which is professional but also approachable. And of course, there are many ways to do this. This is not the only way. If you enjoy creating graphics, you can make this much more visual. You can record a video where you introduce yourself to your students and show them around. But I hope this video inspires you to create something that brings your own unique presence and teaching style to your online classroom.